In this video, I'll show you how to add caller ID in Twilio. So here we are on the Twilio dashboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to start by clicking on phone numbers on the left hand side of the screen. This will make a drop down and we want to click on manage, and then from there verified caller IDs. And here you'll see add a new caller ID. Let's click on that. And now you just need to choose your country. So that'll give you your country code, your phone number, and then if necessary, an extension. And then you can choose, do they send the verification code via SMS or do they phone you? And once you're ready, hit verify number. Then they'll send a verification code to that number and you'll just input it in here and hit submit. And that is how you create a new caller ID. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.